Bluestacks is one of the most popular emulators that allows you to run Android apps in your Windows 10 computer. This makes it possible for anyone to play their favorite mobile Android games on their PC. Although this is a solid performing software, there are instances when certain issues can occur, such as when it runs slow. There are several factors that can cause Bluestacks to perform sluggishly, ranging from an outdated app version to lack of RAM. In this latest tutorial video, we will show you how to make Bluestacks run faster in Windows 10. How to make Bluestacks run faster in Windows 10. Before performing any of the recommended tutorial steps, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, update Bluestacks. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you are running the latest version of Bluestacks. New software versions usually come with several performance-related improvements, which make it better than the older version. To do this, first open Bluestacks app. Then click on the three horizontal line on the top right corner of the Bluestacks screen. At the drop-down menu, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Then at the Settings section, click on About tab at the left side. Then, click on Check for Updates. In here, my Bluestacks app is already on the latest versions. But if after Bluestacks checks for update, a Download Update button becomes available if you need to download an update. Click on it. The Bluestacks updater will start downloading the latest available version. Once the downloading is completed, you will get another window. Click on Install Now button to install the downloaded version of Bluestacks. You may also choose Install on Next Boot if you plan to install it on the next boot. Click on Launch button to begin playing the updated version of Bluestacks. Try checking if Bluestacks now runs fast. Next, allocate more RAM to Bluestacks. The more RAM that you allow Bluestacks to use, the better it will perform. The minimum amount of RAM that this software needs is 2 GB, so if you can further increase this, then you will see a performance gain while playing your favorite Android games. To do this, first open Bluestacks app. Then click on the three horizontal line on the top right corner of the Bluestacks screen. At the drop-down menu, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Then at the Settings section, click the Engine tab at the left side. Then at the Performance section, click on the option RAMs. Choose the highest RAM available from the drop-down menu. Users can also select more CPU cores for Bluestacks. Select the highest number from the CPU cores drop-down menu. Then restart your computer. Try checking if you see any speed improvements. Next, turn off the antivirus. One common reason why Bluestacks runs slow is because of the antivirus software that you are using. To check if this is what's causing the problem, you should try to disable this. In here, we will be turning off Windows Defender. If you are using other antivirus such as Avast, 8, VG and McAfee, you can visit our website easypcmod.com or thedroidguy.com for the steps on how to turn off your antivirus. To do this, first click on Start or Windows. Then click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. This will open the Windows Settings section. Then at the Windows Settings section, click on Update and Security. Next at the left sidebar, click on Windows Security. Then at the protection areas of Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then at the virus and protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Next, toggle off real-time protections. A prompt message appears if you allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. Lastly, update your graphics card driver. One of the main reasons why you will experience a black screen when using Bluestacks is because of a corrupt or outdated graphics driver. It's therefore best to make sure that you have the latest graphics driver installed in your Windows 10 computer. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then follow these steps. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard at the same time to invoke the Run dialog box. Then at the Run dialog box, type msconfig and press Enter or click on OK to open the System Configurations section. Then when System Configuration opens, click the Boot tab. Under Boot Options, check Safe Boot, then click OK. Then when you're prompted to restart your computer to apply these changes, click Restart, then you will boot into safe mode. Next, go to your local hard disk by clicking on this PC, then Local Disk C. Then click on Programs Files folder. You should be able to see the NVIDIA folder right there. Right-click on it and choose Delete. Next, press Win key plus R on your keyboard at the same time to invoke the Run dialog box. Then type devmanagement.msc in the Run box, press Enter or click on OK to open the Device Manager window. Then, expand the Display Adapters field. This will list all network adapters that the machine has installed. Right-click on the NVIDIA adapter you want to uninstall and select Uninstall. Then click OK when prompted to uninstall the device. This will remove the adapter from the list and uninstall the driver. Next, press Win key plus R on your keyboard at the same time to invoke the Run dialog box. Then at the Run dialog box, type msconfig and press Enter or click on OK to open the System Configurations section. Then if the System Configuration opens, click the Boot tab. Then under Boot Options, uncheck Safe Boot, then click OK. When you're prompted to restart your computer to apply these changes, click Restart. Next, download the latest NVIDIA driver for your computer from here. Run the setup file and follow the instructions which appear on screen. Choose the Custom Installation option and check all the boxes in the Custom Install Options windows. Also, check the box which states Perform Clean Install. Next, restart your computer to apply changes made. If you have an AMD graphics card, you can visit thedroidguy.com or easypcmod.com for the steps on how to update your AMD graphics card. After following the tutorial methods, you have successfully made Bluestacks run faster in Windows 10. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.